We're the cast from the upcoming new movie, Dune Part 2.
Today we're gonna play a fun game called Would You Rather?
Where we'll be given 3 seconds to choose from 2 options.
Here we go. Would you rather live in a place with only desert or a place with only water?
Desert.
Yeah,
Water.
desert.
Water.
Yeah, because you can build
Only?
a ship on the water.
Okay.
Would you rather be a person who sees the future or who can fix the past?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Fix the past.
Fixing the
Fix the
past.
past.
Yeah.
Past.
Yeah.
In movies, that never goes right.
No, exactly.
That never
Then we all
goes right.
disintegrate.
Oh, but if you can
We
see the
wouldn't be here.
future, surely you can.
You can make better decisions.
See possible futures all at once.
Would you rather ride the sandworm or ride an ornithopter?
Oh, sandworm.
Yeah, sandworm. Because
That's
ornithopter is
so
too
cool.
similar to
Basically
like, yeah,
helicopter.
helicopter.
Also, then I get to feel like you guys. You guys look so cool when you're just holding on to
Yeah, your
rods.
arm position is perfect.
Yeah.
You know what? I appreciate you
He's worried
saying
about that.
I appreciate you saying that. I would do the ornithopter.
We'll see you in the cinemas soon.
Book your tickets now.